And if it was a bigger park, that would not be a problem. But because they've closed Avengers Campus, that has pushed everybody onto the other half of the park. And it's only really left 2 big rides open, and that's Hollywood Tower of Terror and Crush's Coaster, which at the moment is down.
And normally Remy's
yeah, and Ratatouille
would be open, but it's closed for refurbishment currently.
And like every show, which there's only like 2 of, but they closed at 6 o'clock, if not before. You know, Stitch show I think finished at 5. Half of the food carts are closed. You know, if you're going to have the park open into the evening, then you need to leave stuff open longer. Yeah, it's not a big park. It's Disney's smallest park in the world. Yeah, even with the expansion happening, you know, that's only getting 2 rides, so it's not going to give them anything more to do. So I think Disney really need to look at, if you're going to keep the park open till 9 o'clock at night, keeping stuff open a lot longer than, you know, 4 hours before the park closes.
They could easily run both shows until 7, 7:30, even at 8 o'clock at a push. If the last show was at 8, that would give everybody enough time to get out, get in place, ready to watch the end of park show.
Yeah, you know, there's just a lot of people milling around doing nothing. You know, it's...
Yeah, there's a lot of people literally milling around doing nothing. There's nothing to do here other than eat now. Which, yeah, you know, we love eating, but...
You know, and it's not a big... There's not a big choice of food.
No, it's basically the food festival carts currently, because there's no... Unless you want to pay...
Yeah, unless you want to pay to eat in Chez Remy or Pim's Kitchen. It's burger and chips in 3 different places. 2 different places, it's burger and chips, basically. And I mean, the food side has always been bad in Walt Disney Studios. That's why I'm really thankful that we're here when the food festival is on, because we've had some amazing food from there the last couple of days. But you know, you can't close a park and then expect people to stay and wait 2 hours for an evening show. You know, it's not fair. So yeah, I think that is my main gripe.